I'm at the Embassy downtown Pittsburgh. Come on in. So you open up to a big living room, TV, couch, lamp. The views. Come back on in. You have the couch furniture, wet bar over there. Nice little table, connect door if you want to bring other people in. Then let's go ahead and walk back to the bedroom. You got a nice full-size mirror before you go in. In the bedroom, big windows with great views of the city. Big king size bed, double vanity. Then the views from the bedroom. You have a closet over here with an ironing board. If you all never stayed in the Embassy, these are by far some of the nicest hotels, best value, with a lot of built-in benefits. And then this is the big, beautiful bathroom. Big stand-up shower. Got the soaps. But this here is my review of the Embassy Hotel, downtown Pittsburgh. I hope you all like and enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Downtown Pittsburgh views at night. Big buildings.